Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download OBS Studio and then use it as a screen recorder. I'm going to leave the link down below, so feel free to download it. Before we go, kindly hit on the subscribe button and make sure to like this video. So let's go. OBS is a free software, which means it is an open source software and you don't need any subscription and you don't have to pay for it. So what you have to do is that you go to their site, and this is where this is what their site is, obsproject.com. I've left the link down below. You can click on it, then you download which operating system you are using. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click on the Windows section. Then I've already downloaded it, so that's why I'm seeing this. So in order to make this video short, I'm not going to go through the download process and the installation process, so I'm gonna skip this. Once you finish downloading and installing OBS, you might want to hit on the icon on your desktop to open it. So when you open it, this is what you see. You can actually see that because I'm using my mic, you can actually see the sound, the mic moving around, showing that I'm actually using it. So as an extra bonus, I'm going to take you through how to set it up to get an optimal performance. So you might want to hit on the settings button, then you go to output. When you go to output, make sure to change it from simple to advanced, so that will be able to affect the changes. When you finish changing to advanced, you go to the recording section. When you go to the recording section, you see this is the recording path. So this is actually where your save recordings are put. You can actually change it if you want, and then you come to the recording format. So we have MP4, we have MKV, we have FLF. So I recommend you choosing MKV, because with MKV, should there be any power loss or should there be any problem with the recordings, you'll be able to recover whatever you've recorded. But with MP4, you definitely lose everything. So I recommend choosing MKV. And then when you are done recording, then you can then go to the file section and then remax it to MP4. So we leave it at MKV. Then you come to the audio section. When you come to the audio section, you might want to change the mic. By I think it's always on default. So you might want to change it to microphone. So that is if you are using a microphone and then you want to record your voice. In my case, I'm using a microphone, so I'm going to choose this one. Then after that, you hit on apply and then okay. Now that you finish with the setup, you might want to configure the source. That is where you are getting your output from, be it from console, be it from a camera, be it from any device that you want to broadcast. So in our case, we are going to record our screen. So you might want to hit on the plus button. So when you hit on the plus button, you go to the display capture. When you hit on display capture, this prompt comes out asking you to rename. You can actually leave it by default. If you want, you can also rename it to whatever name you want to, but then I'm going to leave it default. So I'll click OK. When you click on OK, this is what you actually get. You click OK again, then you come to this interface. Now that you are here, the only thing that is left for you now is to click on the start recording section, and then that's all. Your screen recorder will start working and recording your screen for you. When you start recording, you can actually move around, do whatever you want to do. That is, you have to minimize the screen. After minimizing the screen, you can do whatever you are doing on your PC. Then when you finish, you come back to OBS and then you click on stop recording. When you click on stop recording, you then come to the file section and then go to Remax recordings. You click on it, then you select your file. So this is our file. Then you go to open. So when you click on it, then you click on Remax. So this process will change it from MKV to MP4 for you. So you click on Remax and then you are good to go. So if you like this video, kindly hit on the subscribe button and then make sure to like this video in order to support me.